Hi everyone! Finally I have a chance to go out and do some fishing and caught something nice in the last trip, and I'm going to cook it today. This is a Spanish flag snapper, so let's start the preparation. Alright, we have already finished scaling the fish. Now it is time to gut the fish. I do not want the fin, so I will take away the fin. I have decided to cook Japanese simmered fish. I think it's called Nitsuke no sakana. So for this fish, in order to let it cook well, I will want to cut into 3 parts. One. Two and 3. Very nice. Basic ingredients for this dish is very simple. First, we need some ginger. Next, this is burdock. I'm going to put the burdock into the dish itself because burdock will take away the fishiness of the fish as well. Okay, to cook the simmer fish, add 1 bowl of water, 1 bowl of sake. This is mirin, smoke-up soy sauce, sugar to taste, and then I will add the ginger first. So our sauce or the broth has started to boil. Next, I will put in all the burdock. Oh, the burdock smells really good. Then I will put in the fish. So at this point, I will reduce the heat to medium. And then we will simmer it for another 10 minutes. Something that is good to invest is this particular what called cooking paper or parchment paper. To keep the fish submerged in the broth. We will just place this over. Alright, 10 minutes is up. I think the fish should be nicely cooked. So first we're going to take away the parchment paper. Just going to off the heat and time to plate. Alright, this is the completed dish. Nitsuke no sakana, Japanese simmer fish. I am going to taste. It smells really good. So first, maybe try the burdock. Burdock is really nice. Okay. Next, the fish. Put a little bit of the sauce. Wow. The Spanish flag tastes really good cooked this way. This is my first time cooking Spanish flag this way. I'm surprised. The natural flavor of the fish is sweet. The meat is soft and moist, and yet not too mushy. Fantastic. I really enjoy this dish. Let me finish this. So that was my Japanese simmered fish, also known as Nitsuke no sakana. This is my first time preparing this dish with the Spanish flag snapper. I'm quite happy with the results. That firstly, the Spanish flag snapper is suitable for this kind of cooking. However, I could have reduced the number of slices of ginger because the broth does taste a little bit too gingerly for me. And on the other hand, it's like after simmering for 10 minutes, there was still a lot of broth left. So perhaps I could cut down the sake and the water by half. So by the end of the 10 minutes of cooking, there will be the broth will be more intense, and perhaps the dish will taste even better. So anyway, perhaps maybe in the near future I will do this same kind of cooking but with a different kind of fish, and then let's see how the taste goes. So till then, I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, just click like and feel free to comment and give me more suggestions or recipe for my next fish dish. Bye bye.